Hello, my amazing friends. I hope you're all doing fantastic and ready to dive into another super exciting and creative DIY project. Today we're tackling something both fun and practical, a heater fan. This isn't just your typical store-bought heater. This is a DIY project that's going to combine functionality with creativity. We're making a heater fan that not only looks cool, but will also warm up your room or workspace effectively. Whether you want to save money, learn something new, or just enjoy building something useful, this project has it all. So stay with me until the end and trust me, you won't be disappointed. Let's start by talking about why this project is awesome. First of all, a heater fan is a perfect companion for those chilly days when you need a quick and effective way to warm up your space. The combination of a heating element and a fan ensures that the hot air gets distributed evenly, making the room warm and cozy in no time. And the best part, you're building it yourself so you can customize it to fit your needs. Plus, there's a certain satisfaction in using something you've made with your own hands. Now let's go over the materials and tools you'll need for this project. A large heating element. This will be the core of our heater and the source of warmth. A strong fan. It will help circulate the hot air evenly throughout the room. A metal housing or container. This will serve as the body of the heater, giving it structure and protecting the internal components. A metal grill or mesh. For safety, this will cover the front to prevent accidental contact with the heating element. A power cable and a switch to connect and control the heater. Some screws, a screwdriver, and basic tools for assembly. Optional, some paint or finishing touches if you want to give your heater a stylish look. We'll start by securely attaching the heating element to the metal housing. Make sure it's fixed in place firmly, since this component will generate a lot of heat. You'll notice the heating element glowing once it's turned on, adding a beautiful, warm aesthetic to the final design. Next, we'll position the fan right behind the heating element. This is essential for blowing the hot air out and spreading it evenly in the room. The fan should be powerful, but not too noisy, so it doesn't disrupt your environment while it's running. Now, we'll attach the metal grill to the front of the heater. This part is super important to ensure safety, especially if kids or pets are around. The grill will prevent any accidental contact with the heating element while still allowing the hot air to flow freely. Once the mechanical parts are in place, we'll move on to the wiring. Carefully connect the power cable and switch to the heater. Be extra cautious during this step, as safety is key when dealing with electricity. If you're not comfortable handling electrical work, don't hesitate to ask for help from someone experienced. With everything assembled, it's time to test your creation. Plug it in, turn it on, and watch as your heater fan comes to life. You'll see the heating element glowing warmly and the fan blowing the hot air across the room. It's super satisfying to see something you built with your own hands working perfectly. If you want, you can customize the appearance of your heater fan. Add a coat of paint, give it a polished finish, or even add handles for easy portability. This is your project, so make it unique and personal. Now before we finish, I have a few important things to say. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to bring you more awesome DIY content. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my upcoming projects. Also, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What do you think about this heater fan? Have you ever built something similar? Or do you have ideas for other DIY projects you'd like to see on the channel? Your feedback and suggestions mean the world to me, and I always try to incorporate them into future videos. Alright, my friends, that's all for today's project. Thank you so much for spending your time with me and supporting the channel. You're truly amazing, and I couldn't do this without you. Until next time, stay safe, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye for now.